Windows wide, the curtains fly to catch the evening breeze. Without you here to keep me warm, believe I'd rather freeze. Believe I'd rather freeze. And how long can we walk that line between the sea and sand? How long can we bide our time for dreams we never planned? For dreams we never planned.
Hi Legate viewers, and welcome back to another episode of our properties tours. This is Vanessa, my colleague here.
Hello.
In charge of this lovely house and domain in the Dordogne. So Vanessa,
yes.
Can you tell us where we are today?
Yep, today we are in the Dordogne, as you quite rightly said, and we are just outside a small village called Thénac, which is also very close to another lovely, thriving little village of Sigoules. Close to that, we also have Bergerac, which is perfect for transport into the area.
Airport, international airport in Bergerac.
Yeah, absolutely.
And beautiful city, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Beautiful, beautiful city. Loads of beautiful restaurants on the River Dordogne. Stunning countryside. Absolutely, absolutely.
We are also close to Aimé.
We're close to Aimé, which is a fantastic Bastide. We're close to Saint-Foy-le-Grand with its famous Saturday markets.
I love it.
We're close.
I go there every time.
It's great. It's
the best market in the Dordogne, I think.
Absolutely, without shadow of a doubt. And we're also not too far from Bordeaux.
There's a panoramic 360-degree view from here. I can see there.
Yeah.
Beautiful rolling hills.
Totally.
With
you have
vineyards.
sunflowers, you have chateau in the background on the other side of the house. You have terraces all around this house to take in the amazing views.
What about this garden?
So this garden is just under 17,000 square meters. So in acres, that's just over 4 acres of land.
And especially, I mean, from here, the view is incredible. You've got no neighbors inside.
No.
It's incredible. Really long distance view.
Yeah.
The house. Tell me more about that absolutely gorgeous house.
Yeah, the house is a real entertaining house. It's perfect for meals, outdoors, indoors. Winter it can be very cozy and lovely, and in the summer you've got all of the terraces to enjoy. Inside the house you have downstairs, you have the most incredible parental suite with a beautiful ensuite bathroom and a walk-in wardrobe, fully air conditioned. So you have the master bedroom with its ensuite, then you have a further 2 bedrooms upstairs with a family bathroom. Downstairs there is a possibility to create a further bedroom should you wish. It's currently a bureau. And then you also have an annex, which is fantastic.
Oh, yeah, on that side.
Yeah, on the side
totally
of the
separate.
house. Yep, and it's all level, so perfect for maybe somebody, perhaps for older family that want to come and stay. There's, you know, it's totally independent. You could rent it. It has its own access for parking.
Own parking.
Yeah, and it's a great addition to the house.
what on that side?
So here we have an area for a gym, which is currently used as a gym. You have another terrace that leads off of the master bedroom. And then over here you have a building which is currently a games room.
And Vanessa, what about this incredible long pool?
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's 16 by 4.
Wow.
And it's the self-cleaning, it's salt water, low maintenance and perfect for proper swimmers to do proper
With
lengths.
16 meters, you can really, I love that shape.
Yeah,
it really
it's
matches
beautiful.
the terrace. And
It does. It complements the house.
Well, I'm absolutely sure that everybody's thrilled about that house now that the video is almost finished. What do people need to do if they want to know more, ask a question?
Yep, if you just look in the description or drop into the comments below, you will be able to see links to the property, and then you can send a question or an email, and I'll be really happy to help anybody and would be delighted to do some viewings on this amazing house.
Thanks for watching and see you in another episode. Bye bye.